Hello everyone, in this video I am going to show you how can you add a more than one animation to one clip on CapCut PC. So actually it's very simple, but maybe someone doesn't know, and let me show you how. Alright, go to a media and import your videos or just photo that you like to edit. And for example, I'm going to select photo to the drive, and yeah, basically one clip can only be added one animation, but we can use this trick. So you just split the clip into several parts, but I think the duration should be extended first. And to split, for instance, I'm going to split to 3 parts, and select the first clip and select animation, and you can select in, out, or combo animation as you like. You can adjust for the duration and select second one. You can select combo and then select the last clip and select out animation and select the animation that you like, and you can see for the finally select this. That's it. So it's super simple, but I hope this tutorial was helpful for you. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to click thanks button for a fresh